Do you want to protect your personal data on investing.com? In this video, I will show you how to stop investing.com app from selling or sharing your personal information step by step using the privacy settings available on the platform. Managing your privacy settings help you keep control of your data and limit how companies use your information. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to investing.com app. Here in this first page, you will find this sign of more, so you will tap on more sign here. Then here in this page, you will go to above to the sign of settings, or you can find it also here settings, so you can choose whether here or here, like this settings. Then here in this page of settings, you will find privacy management, so you will click on privacy management. And in this page, as you see, they said to you here, do not sell my personal information. So to know how to enable it or how to stop investing.com app to not sell your information or personal information, you have to click here in this sign, as you see, sale of personal data. So we click to disable this feature. And also here you can manage all other privacy, like strictly necessary cookies. If you want to always active here, you will find it, as you see, it's already always active. Here is the key list, you can choose whatever you want here. And for stopping your investing.com app to not sell your personal data, you will disable it here, and then we click confirm my choices. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next